This is how Frederick started his day, declogging canals at the corner of Aurora Boulevard and Blumentritt. After 2 days of sudden downpour in Metro Manila, flood here remains gutter deep. The canals are clogged and could no longer drain the water quickly. So he took it up upon himself to help.
Pag umuulan na malakas kasi, may hina siya humigop. Mga tricycle driver, hindi sila makabiyayang maigi. Tapos yung mga tumatawid, umiikot pang ganun bago tumawid.
But along Quezon Boulevard, this is what we saw. DPWH workers inside the canals removing trash and silt. This area often gets knee-deep floods during rains.
These are sacks of waste materials taken by the DPWH from drainage canals here along Quezon Boulevard. It took 2 weeks to declog canals along this area, but they say 2 weeks is not enough as piles of garbages are still seen along waterways every after cleanup.
There are plastic bottles, books, a basketball, and even shoes.
Huwag na magtapon ng mga basura sa mga kalsada para hindi bumabara yung mga kanal.
Nagbabara yan pag maagos yung tubig. Kasi nga pag nalilinis naman siya, katulad niya, nalinis na nito, hindi na siya nagbabaha masyado.
The DPWH has collected over 3,000 sacks of garbage from drainage systems this month along Quezon Boulevard alone.
Hindi kayang higupin dahil baradong-barado.
And since the DPWH earlier said there is no easy solution to flooding in Manila, for now, declogging is a stopgap measure. One major flood control project is the Blumentritt Interceptor catchment. The flood interceptor is roughly 3.4 kilometers long, starting from Laonglaan, traversing Blumentritt toward Aurora Boulevard, and finally discharging water at the Estero de Maypajo. At full capacity, it can discharge up to 9 cubic meters of flood water per second.
In layman's term, pwedeng ipasok ang isang jeepney sa loob nito, may ample space pa. So yung volume ng tubig na kaya niyang i-address, malaki.
But the project, which began in 2013, has yet to be completed. There are obstacles along its path like water lines and the railway tracks. Rosario says they hope the project will be finished by March next year. Ivy Saunar, CNN Philippines.